I was asleep at home on the bed. They grabbed me by the hand and threw me onto the floor. Then they kicked me hard in the stomach. I started bleeding straight away, and then I passed out.